Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn negative conjugation and contraction of do and does in the present simple tense. We use does not and do not in negative simple present sentences. In order to form this sentence, we need a subject plus the verb does not or do not, and then the rest of the sentence. For example, I do not work on Saturdays. I is the subject, and do not is the correct form of the verb here. And the rest of the sentence is work on Saturdays. Notice how for the subjects you and we, it also takes the same negative verb, do not. For example, you do not work on Saturdays. We do not work on Saturdays. Now for she, he, and it, the negative verb is does not. For example, she does not work on Saturdays. He does not work on Saturdays. It does not function properly. When we use negative contraction for does not and do not, this forms the long version of the sentence into a shorter version of it. The contracted form of does not is doesn't, and the contracted form of do not is don't. Now, in order to make a sentence using doesn't and don't in the negative present simple tense, we need subject plus doesn't or don't plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I don't work on Saturdays. I is the subject, don't is the negative contraction of do not, and the rest of the sentence is work on Saturdays. Let's take a look at more examples. You don't work on Saturdays. We don't work on Saturdays. He doesn't work on Saturdays. She doesn't work on Saturdays. It doesn't function properly. Now let's take a look at more examples with video clips of what is mentioned exactly in the sentence. I do not work on weekends is the long version. I don't work on weekends is the short version. She does not have a cat is the long version. She doesn't have a cat is the contracted form. We do not live in Italy is the longer format of the sentence. We don't live in Italy is the shorter format of the sentence. Paula does not know how to roller skate is the longer version. Paula doesn't know how to roller skate is the contracted form. They do not drive cars, and the other way you can also say it is they don't drive cars. He does not start work at 8 a.m. is the longer format of the sentence. He doesn't start work at 8 a.m. Good job, you guys. I feel like you're getting a better understanding. Let's see another example. It does not work. And the last one is it doesn't work, which is the shorter format of the sentence. Once again, I would like to thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful, and please, for more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much.